Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW iX at home. First, you'll need to understand the various charging levels, like level 1 and level 2, and how they impact charging speed. Next, assess your home's electrical system to ensure it can handle the power requirements. Then, select the appropriate charging equipment, such as a wall box, and finally, consider professional installation for a safe and efficient setup. Let's dive into charging levels. Level 1 charging uses a standard 120-volt outlet, adding about 2 to 4 miles of range per hour. This is great for occasional top-ups. For daily driving, Level 2 charging is ideal. It uses a 240-volt outlet, similar to a dryer, and can add 25 to 30 miles of range per hour, fully charging your BMW iX overnight. When it comes to equipment, your BMW iX comes with a flexible fast charger, offering both Level 1 and Level 2 capabilities. For the best home experience, consider a BMW wallbox. This dedicated Level 2 charger provides optimal speed and convenience. Professional installation by a certified electrician is crucial for Level 2 charging, ensuring your home's electrical system, often requiring a 50-amp circuit, is safely upgraded. To maximize your home charging experience, consider charging overnight when electricity rates are often lower. Use your BMW iX's built-in charging schedule feature to automate this process. Always ensure your charging cable and vehicle port are clean and free from any debris to maintain a secure connection. Finally, regularly inspect your charging equipment for any signs of wear or damage to ensure safe and efficient operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.